learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Hakka training on ICRT. And you know what? You can always find a lot of traditional Hakka old houses in different towns in Taiwan. But as we take this train to visit Beipu today, I heard we're going to see a very distinctive style and fixture. I can't wait for it. 今天呢，要带大家到新竹县的北埔哦。那这个老屋我们常常看到，但听说这边的老屋呢，还是有一些不一样的特色在。到底是什么呢？我也很好奇。待会儿呢，我一定会请 Leo 来介绍。哇哦 ，Leo， 大家都跟我讲这边的老屋很不一样。那这个江阿兴洋楼呢，就真的好多玻璃门窗哦。
对啊，很多老屋都是用木头做的嘛。
对。
那这边特别用了很多的玻璃，主要就是因为北埔还有峨眉这边有很多的细沙，细沙就是做玻璃的主要的原料之一。
难怪，这样子看起来很有西式建筑的感觉。
对啊，主要是用了巴洛克式的建筑，所以呢，你看起来就觉得特别不一样啦。这就是当年张阿兴先生盖这个建筑物来接待外宾用的
啊，了解。
接下来我带你来去看那个江氏家庙好了，
OK，
它里面是用一个累金彩绘，就是把黄金磨成粉之后呢，当成颜料来涂上去，所以非常的富丽堂皇哦。
哇，这一定值得一看了。
好，再来呢，就帮你介绍旁边还有另外一个就是钟树堂，这是曾成统这位先生所盖的，他的父亲曾学熙就是当年北埔第一个考取功名的平民百姓，
哇，棒，很棒。
后来发现到他跟江氏家庙的燕尾脊有点犯冲了，所以呢就改变了一个方向，所以他后来他门楼就变成是西南的一个方向，你看有没有特殊啊？
这是风水问题，
对耶，
这一定也要去参观来照相了哈。
当然啦。
Standing the test of time, Hsinchu County's Beipu Township has old buildings for any history buff. There's the Baroque-style Jiang Axing building, made especially for housing visitors from foreign countries. Just a short walk away is the Jiang Family Temple, with its fine paintings and sculptures exemplifying the wealth and history of the family. Finally, there's the Zhen family's Zhongshu Hall, which appears to be a typical Hakka eatery, but was actually made in the Japanese era and has both Western and Eastern features.
好 ，Leo， 那还是要教我一些生字啦。尤其我对建筑非常喜欢，这些门窗好特别。门窗怎么说？
重门，
有点倒过来，窗门。
对，是。
Okay, that's the doors and window. 然后我们刚刚教的那个江氏家庙非常金碧辉煌这个黄金 golden，how do you say that？
金美。
That's golden. That does for today's Hakka training on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
俺自say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.